Welcome to AMM 5005, your career course. So I'm just going to go over very quickly what it is that we're going to do this semester because it is kind of fun to look at when you're actually looking at your critical path. So we're just going to do a quick course overview on the first day, and we're also going to have the introduction to internships by your career advisor, Maria, which will be great. At some point as well over the course of the semester, we will also have the international advisor come. I'm not sure just yet, but when, but she will be coming as well. So then we're going to go into career planning, but I do want to make a note of the academic quiz that is going to be due on September the 23rd at midnight. I want to make sure that you get that done. Very, very important. And we're going to talk a little bit about personal branding and understanding your why. And then we're going to go into strengths. And then after that, we're going to go into accomplishment statements. That will be an in-class activity that we're going to do together. And I want you to make sure that you submit the information by at least the end of the day, but if not, within a couple of days, because it's very important. And I'll explain about what accomplishment statements are. Then we're going to do your LinkedIn headline. We're just going to do the headline. That's all we're going to focus on at this point, because you are going to do more of that when you get to the follow-up course next semester. We're going to talk about job descriptions, and then on week 8 we're going to actually have you do an elevator pitch. I'll talk a little bit about it, and then we're going to actually have you do it on that day, so which will be really great. I will, if you do not need to come to the class. If you don't want to, you will be able to just go ahead and do that. It will be up to you on that day. Then we're going to continue doing job descriptions and cover letters, and then we're going to get into SAR stories, and then researching organizations, and then what I call internship etiquette, because you're going to be kind of thinking about that as you move forward. So here is the breakdown of the different assignments, and then you should be able to kind of keep on track of what we're doing. So I hope this helps you a little bit.